Bell 303A, Pit Viper John Wick 4. Shoutout kay Sir Chris Jan ng Iloilo. So may markings ng TTI, then sa kabila Pit Viper. So may compensator siya. And then, naka fiber optic sights yung front and rear sight. So, may under rail for attachment. And then, may magwell na. With TTI markings. Base plate, may TTI markings din. Adjustable trigger and enlarged magazine release. Price is 4,900. May kasama na siyang case, cleaning rod, Continental card, Continental coin, and extra nozzle. Check natin kung ilang FPS. For more details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mahabsabi PH.